Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a freelance network with Freelancer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a freelance network with Freelancer is a straightforward process. Begin by visiting the Freelancer website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Freelancer account. Next, set up your profile by adding a professional photo. Write a compelling description showcasing your skills and experience. List your relevant skills in the designated section. Set your hourly rate or project fee according to your expertise. Complete the verification process to build trust with potential clients. Browse through available projects related to your skills. Use filters to refine your search by budget, duration, and other criteria. Once you find a project that interests you, click on it to view details. Read the project description thoroughly to ensure it aligns with your expertise. Prepare a tailored bid for the project, addressing the client's needs. Highlight your relevant experience in the bid. Submit your bid and wait for the client's response. While waiting, consider networking with other freelancers on the platform. Join groups and forums related to your field. Participate in discussions to expand your visibility within the community. Reach out to other freelancers for collaboration opportunities. Share your completed projects on your profile to showcase your work. Respond promptly to client messages to build good rapport. Once you secure a project, deliver your work on time. Ask for feedback after project completion to enhance your profile. Continuously update your profile with new skills and experiences. Utilize the platform's features like milestones and time tracking for efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.